Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. Thank you for coming back. If this is your first video, then please feel free to check the unboxing video as well, where I have listed all the things you can get when you buy this sewing machine. So this is the first look on the sewing machine. So if we go around, on the top there is a plastic bit there where your thread roll will go. The second one is another plastic bit where your bobbins will go for replaning. You've got a head where the thread comes from the bottom there, it comes out from the top, goes all the way down, and then it goes into this point here and then into that thing. At the front, if you have not watched that video already, you've got that dialer, obviously your stitch selector. There's a button there, forward and reverse, and that's the button that helps you to adjust the tension on the string itself. Bringing it down on the left hand side, you can see the manual roller. Obviously you can turn it clockwise, anti-clockwise, depending on what you're looking for doing, and then there's an on-off switch there, so that's off and on, and there is a connector thing for your adapter on the pedal thing to connect to the machine itself. At the front you have got that cabin there, which is locked at the moment, to store your stuffs. So if you take it out, it should come out. There you go. Not very helpful for storage, but obviously an extra platform for you to use when you are stitching. Taking out the actual tape now, nicely taped, and then you can take out this thing, and as I said, you can use the side roller to sift the whole thing up, and then the needle is coming up now, and then you can use this to lift the whole mechanism, which is just a manual thing. You have to keep pressing it, take it out, and then it goes down. So comparing to the other machines, basically that lever doesn't stay up, so you have to manually pull it up if you want to get that mechanism up. Take your clothing out and then it goes down automatically. Aside there's a light as well, which you can utilize, and then finally let's take it out. So that's the sewing machine overall.